to Westworld! Arizona Bike Week! Arizona Bike Week, come and try the beast.
Hey, welcome to the show today. We're heading over to Arizona Bike Week, and we may even make it on this video over to Cave Creek. So stay tuned and see all the excitement that's going on here on Friday.
That's right. We're right now at Westworld, and we're going to see what's going on.
Let's get inside.
Check it out.
Tank is full and my bag's packed. Guess I should have known. Belong on the road.
Hey guys, this is Katie. We are at Arizona Bike Week here at Westworld. I am at the Bug Slide tent right next to the JP Semi. Come down and see us. Arizona Bike Week!
There. You guys want to spin the wheel? Sure, we can try. Yeah, let's do it. Can I ask you a couple questions? Sure. I'm going to give it a big spin. Just going to grab the tag and it'll go either way.
All right.
Give me to film you.
I guess. See it?
Yeah.
That'd be like the Wheel of Fortune or what they call the Price is Right.
Let's do it again. Sunglasses. Yeah, have a good one. See you next year. Enjoy Bike Week.
Mike.
Karen.
And where you guys from?
New Jersey.
And what do you ride?
22 Ultra, 10 Road King, 77 Shovel.
And what's the different rallies you've been to?
Well, let's see. Daytona, Laconia, Sturgis, Gettysburg.
Arizona?
Arizona now. First
There you go.
time here.
You're catching up to us.
Yeah.
Nah.
I've got one in the bike already. All ready to go. But
Talk
thank
to the
you.
Law Tiger girl. Somebody was asking for somebody that does pinstripings. Here you go. Big sign, pinstripings. They're right across from JMC Motorcycles and Suicide Choppers.
Paychecks instead of dreams. Someone God left me. I'm headed down that road.
Calling over. He's calling you over. Come get an ice cream. Come get an ice cream for me. I got ice cream. Come here. I'm trying to tie him down. He won't stay up. He's kind of limp and floppy.
No, he's a soft serve ice cream.
Oh, he's a softie, huh?
Yeah.
That's his problem. Not a hard ice cream, soft ice cream. Kettle corn. So coming in here, you've got Ink Tattoo is actually inside the building here. If you watch the video from yesterday, you've seen I talked about a little bit about the bikes that they're selling over there. We went through a few of them. They want to bore everybody with 1,000,000 of them. They got bathrooms inside here. Outside they have Johnny on the Spots. Russ Brown has got a big collection of collector bikes here. Our first day we had here, we talked to a couple of the bike builders. They're here for certain times of the day. You can actually meet them. I think it's there. Looks a little big for that bike. So, sounds like they got a band playing. What's that bar over there called?
The one here is Handlebars. The one over there where all the bike shows are supposed to be is called Kickstands.
Some of the Russ Brown collector bikes, builder bikes. Take just a little quick pan around all of them. Quick look. Got bull riding over here. $10, you can ride it, Bernie the bull. It's kind of quiet right now. Guess he's grazing. Name?
Pat.
Okay.
Did we meet
Probably.
at the Cars and Coffee Show in Vegas?
Yep.
Yeah, man. Pat.
Yep.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, I remember the
met
bike
you and
now.
Your wife.
Yep.
Yeah,
She's
yeah,
over there.
yeah.
Yep.
Oh,
I remember the
cool.
bike now.
I remember
So-
you guys said you were going to be heading out.
Yeah.
Coming
so,
out to it.
tell us again about it because we got
Yeah, man,
new
I'll
watchers
tell
in
you
this
all
group.
about it. So it's a 1958 with a 66 motor. This has been my daily rider from 1989 up until 2022, and then I decided to give her a little retirement gift, and this is where we landed. So after a few years, it still runs great. I just don't ride it a whole lot anymore. This is its life now.
So
it's
it made you do
enjoyable.
the theme that you did.
Living here in Arizona, right? We got the Southwest. We blow stuff up. That's, with the copper. So hence the Plan B and a saddlebag with the dynamite. And yeah, it just kind of inspired me living here to go this route. So digging it.
There you go. It's very unique.
Yeah, thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah. So it's all good. I lost to a friend that trike that I was working on.
Yep.
And I had finished that up for him. That thing's crazy, man. I took that for a ride after I painted it. A 350, and that is pretty interesting.
So you did all the painting on that one?
Yeah.
You gave it that rustic look?
Yeah, that's what he
right.
wanted. Those were the colors he wanted to work with, and he loves it.
Go over there and I'll get
Yeah.
us a little bit of that footage. Oh, some of you may want to know that we actually talked to him in Las Vegas during the Mecum auction. So he did all the custom painting on this one. He gives it that, he's got a very unique style that he makes it look like rust, and it's not. He actually told us on video how he did it, but I didn't want to give out his secret. So, but I mean, it's really cool. He said he actually took it out and rode it. It's even a two-seater here. So it's a pretty cool looking, I think he said it's got a 350 in it. I think that's what he said. He just said he had in it. So pretty cool. Trike.
My name's Leslie. I'm from Utah, but by the way, Oklahoma original.
What'd you get here for Bike Week? What's your special thing?
I came down mainly for the tattoo from my friends in Tucson at Luna Ink and Oddities, Kyle and Kat Olson. They're the bomb. Kyle did my Roadrunner for me. And then I'd never been here, so I was stoked to come to Bike Week. And I've got a charity ride I'm doing tomorrow.
Welcome to Arizona Bike Week 2025. We're with Progressive here at the front.
Bike Week, come try the beast.
Welcome to Arizona Bike Week. We'll see you next year.
Hey guys, this is John Matola with Motor Dog 69. This is my company. We've been designing and building challenge coin mounts for the last 15 years. This is a sample of one of our gas cap mounts right here, one of our most popular. And this is the Legion coin that we make for the American Legion in Arkansas. We show this to Legion riders all over the country. We take 10% of this coin and send it back to the Legion. Started this company 15 years ago, trying to put something personal on your bike and then being able to change it out whenever you want. So the coin actually goes into the mount and it is held in with these two set screws right here, which allows you to ride with it. You could loosen the set screw, you could flip the coin over, or you could change it out whenever you feel like it. We make challenge coin mounts for Harleys, for Indians, for Gold Wings. We could put a coin on any motorcycle or vehicle. Please go to www.motordog69.com and check out our website. We're on TikTok, we're on YouTube, and we're on Facebook. Or you can call us at 501-249-0069. Or just come down to Arizona Bike Week and meet us in person. We hope you're having a blessed day. We go to Daytona in for Daytona for Bike Week in March. We go back there in October for Biketoberfest. We do Arizona Bike Week. We're going up to Ohio Bike Week in May. Then from there we go to Sturgis. Then from there we go to Lake of the Ozarks, Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue, and then back to Lake Florida, like I said. So we're all over the place.
I want to thank everybody for checking us out today and finding out all the excitement that's going on here at Westworld. And we're still trying to figure out if we're going to make it to Cave Creek. You might have seen it. Then again, you might have to wait till tomorrow to see that footage that we put on. And we just wanted to get our ending here while the sun was still up so you guys could see us. So been a pretty good rally so far. We've got a bunch of cool stuff we're going to be doing on Saturday, so keep watching. We got a lot more to show you.
That's right. So thanks for hanging out, and hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to support our sponsors and tell them Bob and Tam sent you if you go check them out. And subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Give us a big thumbs up, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you on the next video.
There you go. See you guys later.
Bye.